Oh, September, September, September. When we talk about this month and temperatures actually climbing into the 80s, it becomes far and few between. Now, are you a 2004? Do you want 15 days in the 80s? Or are you kind of like in this year where we've only had one? That was on September 1st, go figure, and we were just 1 degree away from climbing to that, making it 2 for 2022, but not quite just yet. 79 degrees was our high temperature yesterday. Now this morning, with the state of Wisconsin waking up a little bit more comfortable, uniform in temperature, ranging from the mid-50s to the mid-60s throughout the area. Here for us, low 50s into the Northwoods, and we're looking at some mid to upper 50s into the Fox Valley and Lake Shore. So a comfortable morning. There are clear skies with a few clouds pushing into the Northwoods, Antego Mountains, seeing those now. But the dew points are cool and crisp. Notice where they are right now in your hometown. That's as cold as your temperature can get here throughout the next hour or two. The temperature can only drop to the dew point, and then when it does, it creates fog, the cloud on the ground. Right now, only a quarter-mile visibility into Fond du Lac, 2 miles into Oconto and Manitowoc. It gets worse if you're driving throughout the state, so please keep that in mind if you are headed out the door. If you have a longer distance drive, there is a dense fog advisory from Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Marquette, and Green Lake counties southward, even down into Illinois as well. This is in effect until 9 a.m. That's when we're looking at this fog burning off and clearing on out of here, but it will get worse over the next hour or two before it gets better. Make sure those low beams are turned on so that others can see you. Also, those winds will start to pick up later on today out of the north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and then they'll start to switch to out of the south. That's where we're going to get that heat starting to roll back in here. But mainly high pressures dominating the area, keeping a lot of the nation quiet and clear, which is why this fog is building in. And then off to the west coast, fire weather warnings ongoing into Montana. We're also looking at excessive heat warnings as well as that heat just builds off into the west coast mountain areas. Triple digits being felt yesterday, 90s off into the Dakotas. Now this is going to start to shift over a little bit more as we head through our day today. So we're going to start to tap into not the 90s, but we will likely hit some 80s, and we're going to keep that rolling for a few days. So here we are this morning, winds out of the northwest. A few clouds, patchy fog early this morning. A few might sprinkle as well, but we're going to clear on out by your lunch hour to bright and beautiful skies. Tonight will kind of repeat overnight. Clear night once again, patchy fog possible by tomorrow morning. More sunshine for us. The rain holding off until we get into Friday night, Saturday morning. Look at this, it even wants to project some snowfall potentially into Nebraska and Iowa. Thankfully, it turns all to rain, warmer temperatures as we look at Saturday night becoming damp, also into our Sunday and potentially into our Monday as well, where we do have the outlook of anywhere from a half an inch to nearly 2 inches of rainfall. We're not looking at that 3 inches, but we don't need it here throughout the state of Wisconsin, so we could see some flooding conditions by this weekend. Otherwise, sunrise is at 6:22 here this morning. It's getting later and later, but we're going to still warm things up into those low 80s for us today. By tonight, though, crashing down into the mid to upper 50s. This is a little bit warmer. Patchy fog still expected by tomorrow morning. We'll clear on out to sunny skies and high temperatures soaring into those mid 80s. So summer isn't gone just yet. It's going to hang on for Friday as well. Saturday might as well have a few 80s in there. That's also when that cold front hits us, gives us a dampening weekend, unfortunately. And temperatures dropping Sunday, Monday into those mid to upper 60s. It's actually going to be quite cool, dreary, fall-like as we go through our Sunday. It's going to be a whole different feel from Friday, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely starting to feel like fall for sure. So I got to hang on to those 80s while I have them.
I know, we've got a few left.
Thanks, Brittany.